guys, and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Jamie, and today I'm going to give you a full walk around video on this 2016 Kia Sorento Platinum. We'll start off at the front of the car. We'll run you through some of the features and also the condition as well. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, as you can see, we do have color-coded front parking sensors. You also have your fog lights fitted down the bottom. You also get headlight washers with the actual headlamps, and the headlamps themselves actually have the daytime running lights built into the headlight itself. As you can see, the front of the vehicle for 2016 presents really well. There are no major marks or scratches that are worth pointing out. Coming around the side of the vehicle, we'll take a look at our first alloy wheel. As you can see, this wheel is in good condition. There are a few minor marks on the wheel itself, but still for the age of the vehicle, nothing inconsistent. And these Bridgestone tyres, still good amounts of tread left on the tyre itself as well. Now, working our way down the body of the vehicle, as you can see, you do get the colour-coded exterior mirrors with the black housing underneath, with the indicator integrated into the mirror itself. And then you get the chrome door handles as well with the keyless entry. So as you can see now, the car is actually unlocked. Clicking this button here, we'll actually lock the car, and the mirrors will actually fold in, and then just do the opposite and the car will unlock again. We'll take a look inside the driver's compartment of the car, because as you can see, the nice colorway of the grey and the cream leather, which looks fantastic, is all in really good condition as well. Do get all the electrics for the driver's seat. You do get the bolsters as well, and you can actually lift the little rest at the front of the seat up as well, which is a really nifty feature. And as you can see, you also get the Sorento scuff plate that actually lights up red when the door is open. You can also tell with the door itself, it's in fantastic condition as well. No major marks or scratches when these people have been opening up the door. Now, working our way down the side of the vehicle, as you can see, the paintwork is in really good condition, finished in that lovely color as well, that maroony color. Also have the aluminium side step fitted as well, and as you can see, you do have the all-wheel drive badging right underneath that chrome garnish as well. Second alloy wheel, as you can see, this one pretty much looks like it's unmarked, with again fantastic tread left on that hand-cooked tire as well. It looks like almost a brand new tire. Coming to the back of the vehicle now, you will notice you do get a high mount stoplight and the rear windscreen wiper, and as you can see, you get all your chrome badging as well. Also get color-coded reverse parking sensors and a factory reverse camera as well. Taking a look inside the boot, as you will see, all the genuine floor mats are in there. Now, it is a 7-seater, but the seats are folded down, and as you can see, they do fold completely flat once they are actually down. You do get the climate control in the back of the vehicle as well, so for the people sitting in the 7-seat, they can control the climate control, which is a really good feature. And then underneath the actual little shelf here, as you can see, you do also get the cargo blind. Now, the spare wheel itself is actually situated underneath the car, and I believe it is a full-size spare wheel as well. To close up the boot, it's as simple as clicking this button here, and the boot will actually close itself. Working our way down the passenger side of the vehicle now, as you will notice, the fuel door is on the passenger side. Third alloy wheel looks like another unmarked alloy wheel again, with a really good hand-cooked tire also. And as you can see in the sunlight, the paintwork on this side of the vehicle is in really good condition as well. Really nice color that really stands out and goes well with those grey and cream leather seats too. Fourth and final wheel. Now, this wheel, you would expect that there would be a bit of curb rashing due to being the one right next to the right next to the curb, but this one is actually another unmarked alloy wheel with a good tire. So as you can see, guys, 3 really good wheels, 4 really good tires, and the exterior condition of the vehicle presents really well. So really good testament to the previous owner. It's now taking a look underneath the bonnet. So what we have here is a 2.2 turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine. It's then produces 147 kilowatts and also 441 newton meters of torque. You do get a 6-speed sports automatic gearbox in the vehicle as well. Get a 71 litre diesel capacity tank that gives you really good actually fuel consumption, 7.8 litres to the 100 k's, and that's for a big car of this size. So out of that full tank, on average, you're going to get 910 kilometres. Guys, now taking a look inside the Sorento, we'll start you off on the driver's side door. All power windows, and they're all automatic as well. You also get all your central locking. You get a button here that will lock the windows and let you know when it's actually locked, so it lights up orange. All your mirror controls, and also a button to fold in the mirrors as well. So if you don't want to get your mirrors taken off, you can fold them in. Do get seat memory as well, so really good feature for husband and wife, because obviously they don't sit in the same position because they just never agree. Behind the steering wheel itself, you do have your brightness adjuster for the center cluster. You have your blind spot monitoring, so if someone comes in your blind spot, it will actually light up in the corner of the mirror orange. You have your lane departure warning as well, so getting too close to the white lines, it will actually warn you. and then your traction control button as well. Now just under there you do get your fuel door release, and you also get the tailgate release as well. On your right hand stalk you get your indicators, your fog lights, and also your headlights, which are automatic. Left hand stalk you get your front and rear windscreen wipers. And then moving on to the steering wheel itself, as you can see, really nice design steering wheel. The wood grain finish at the top with a nice leather wrap steering wheel. On the right hand side of the vehicle, on the steering wheel, you have all your cruise control settings. You also do have adaptive cruise as well, so it'll actually lock onto the car in front of you. You get a couple buttons here just to flick through the main screen as well. On the left hand side of the vehicle, all your media controls, the steering wheel again, left hand side of the steering wheel, all your media controls, and then all your Bluetooth pick up and hang up on the bottom of the left hand side as well. Do get the proximity key, so you do get a push button start, so as long as the foot is on the brake you can press this button and the car will start. And then moving into the main entertainment system now, as you can see, it is a nice touchscreen display. It does have AM, FM radio, USB, Bluetooth and AUX. Also has navigation as well, which I'll just pull up the map to make it easier for you guys. So as you can see, nice display. There is a very nice reverse camera as well. And when you actually turn the steering wheel, it actually turns with the lines as well, which is a really good feature. Down below is all your climate control settings. It is dual zone climate control, and when you do adjust the temperature, it actually comes up on the screen to show you exactly what's on. Down below you have heated and cooled seats. You also have a heated steering wheel as well. And then in this little door here, two 12-volt sockets, USB and AUX, and a really good amount of storage as well. Now, as I mentioned before, you can drive this car as a normal automatic since it does, but because it does have the sports automatic, you can actually flick it across and actually shift through the gears manually. Now you also have the drive modes as well, so you have sport, eco, and then back to normal as well. Button to turn off your parking sensors, so you actually light up to let you know when they're on, and when they're turned off, obviously the light turns off. Electronic handbrake, so pulling it up will turn it on, pushing it down will turn it off. And then you also have the auto hold button and your center diff lock as well. Two cup holders, and you can actually take this out so to give you a bit more storage. Nice blind that makes it fold away as well. And inside this nice leather wrapped armrest, do have a good amount of storage in two little compartments as well. Now I'm just going to get the camera to pan up to the roof real quick, show you that there is a nice big sunroof, which, as you can see there, and then the actual pretty much half of the roof actually opens up as well. So as you can see, really nice design and massive sunroof as well. Now I'm just going to get the camera person to pan to the window real quick, as you also get the shade blind for the kids, and actually on the door handle itself you do get heated seats as well. So Kia's gone all out with the features on this vehicle. So what we'll do now, guys, is we'll pan around the interior of the inside of the car, and then once we're done doing that, we'll jump outside the car again and we'll wrap up the video. One thing I didn't mention though is you also do have an Infinity sound system as well, so real high quality sound, which is fantastic. Okay guys, hopefully that's given you a really good representation of not only some of the features but also the condition as well. Now the number to call if you'd like to book a test drive, 99070555. But just a couple of things before I go. This car will qualify for our premium mechanical protection plan, so I do know that Kia gives you a 7-year unlimited warranty, but we can extend that for an additional 5 years up to 200,000 kilometers. It's going to give you unlimited claims up to $3,600 per claim with no excess on the claims, and also going to give you 10 years of premium roadside assist that gives you 250 kilometers of free towing. Another thing I'd like to talk to you about, highly recommend that you do talk to us about our glass coat here as well. It's going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork of the vehicle, and especially with a color like this as well. Now these features or these packages are an additional cost, but if you do use our in-house finance, Julia Maria business managers will actually show you how minimal it will affect the payment once you add them in. Last thing before I go, with a 4.8 star rating on Google, with over 960 reviews from Australia-wide customers, not only can you be assured you're buying a fantastic car, but you're dealing with the right dealership and the right quality of people to deal with as well. Again, number to call, 99070555. My name is Jamie, and thank you for watching.